Little tilt, you groom, pick the hair, cut, groom. Look what I do. Look at this movement. When my thumb is under, okay? And there's a knot. Yes, it's like this. Don't be like that. Just being comfortable. Yeah, because and then you're gonna tilt and move the thumb only. Look, comb, groom, and cut. That's one way to work. And the comb is gonna hit here somewhere. So different hands, different size is going to be somewhere inside your hands here, the palm of your hands. Okay? So this is one way. Thumb is on the bottom, your fingers are here on the top. Now there's a different way when the thumb is gonna face your comb, like this. But I don't like to work this way much. It's just because you have to do a whole thing of like turn and you come back. So I like to just do this. Move my thumb a little. Instead, holding here. Oh, of course, you can cut. Then you have to do the whole to hold it back. So thumb under, thumb facing the comb. Put your shears and work. And you feel like to do any one of those.